Welcome to ESOLish, English for Work and Life.
Today we will learn about Diwali. Many people in India and around the world celebrate Diwali.
Diwali is a festival of lights. It comes in October or November. The date changes every year.
People clean their homes. They decorate with lights. They make special food.
People light diyas. Diyas are small oil lamps.
People enjoy fireworks. Fireworks are loud and colourful.
People wear new clothes. They give gifts and sweets to family and friends.
They make rangoli. Rangoli is a picture on the floor with colors or flowers.
Diwali is a time for happiness. It is a time for family and friends.
Diwali is a festival of lights. People enjoy food, diyas, and fireworks.
What do you think about Diwali? Do you like the lights? Do you like the colors? Write your answers in the comments below.